Alright, listen up. I'm back for reaction, but I'm gonna try the Hishe one. I'm gonna try this. Oh yeah, it's starting. Alright. This is Hishe, Birds of Prey. And Harley Quinn, Birds of Prey. So I'm gonna start this video mostly for the SML. I don't need any questions, and I know that I've seen the videos. I comment on their videos, reaction mashup, so I better make it in this one. Here we go. Sometimes they get to the part where everything's destroyed.
What? Yes, it is. Don't listen to her, boss. Why?
No, I'm not. I had the gun in, but this fool took it from me because he didn't trust me carrying it.
I never saw the movie.
By a little kid.
No, I didn't. Shut up. Victor, why would you do that?
Well, I never saw the movie, so I just want to watch this reaction video.
But you don't have a choice. Using non-lethal glitter balls.
Alright. It's like a fight scene. Everything is different. So, yeah, it's different. I never seen this movie, but I only seen the ending and the beginning. Yeah, that's Harley Quinn. And speaking of Birds of Prey, why is it called Birds of Prey? Shouldn't we just be called like Harley Quinn? Man, they're off. Alright, here's how it should have ended. Oh, really? Batman's not even in this movie. In that movie.
You're supposed to be back. What is that? You obviously have a lot to learn.
What happened?
Really?
Look everything. Oh, come on. Are you serious? Well, this is Gotham City. It's bound to show up somehow, right? No, Gotham City. It's gonna be different. How do you sing that song?
Well, that's a different pudding because it's Phoenix. It's Phoenix, not.
I don't need you. Haven't paying attention. Yeah, screw you, clown.
I forgot the other name, the 2016 one. The 2016 Joker. I forgot about that. Well, back. He still has that up. How long has he still had that? You can just take it off. Maybe that Joker just time traveled. You know, with different timeless. When the movie Black Joker just took place in the past. Well, the Phoenix Joker just took it in the past, took place in the past. Wrong one. Batman, that is a wrong cafe. It's a villain movie. On the space button. These is short. Better do the same. They're bad guys. And Batman is talking to them. It's his weakness. Yeah, it's his weakness. Girls. Now it's the cafe. Super cafe. But this is the villain's movie. Anyway, that's it for the video. And I hope the next movie comes out, and I'm waiting for the reaction mashup for Sonic Hishe. And when like older Disney movies will be coming, and I might wait for that, or I just wait until the newest movie. When will they have like when will they have the other movie for Hishe? When will they have Good Boys? Yeah, when will they have Good Boys for Hishe? Even if they had a Good Boys for Hishe. Oh, wait, no, because there's no superheroes or bad guys. Because it's not a superhero movie, it's just like an art movie with 3 kids they're good boys, but they're doing bad things. That's stupid. It's so funny. I never saw the full movie. So that's it for the video. And I hope to see the next one.